This is part 2 of how to crochet a Triceratops. So you just need some chunky yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. If you're looking for other parts, then please refer to the description where I've linked all the different parts. So for round 1 we are going to do a magic ring, and into that magic ring we are going to do 8 single crochets. In round 2 we are going to increase in every stitch, so into every stitch we are going to do 2 single crochets, and this will bring our stitch count up to 16 stitches for this round. For round 3, in the first stitch we are going to do a single crochet, and then into the second stitch we are going to increase. We're going to continue this for the whole way round, and that will bring us to 24 stitches. For round 4 we are going to do a single crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then into the third stitch we are going to increase, and this will bring our stitch count to 32 stitches for this round. For round 5 we're going to continue the pattern, so we're going to do 3 single crochets, and then in the 4th stitch we are going to do an increase, and this will bring our stitch count to 40 stitches for this round. For round 6 we're increasing again, so we're going to do 4 single crochets followed by an increase, and this will bring our stitch count to 48 stitches for this round. Round 7 will be our last round where we increase, so for this round we're doing 5 single crochets followed by an increase, and this will bring our stitch count up to 56 stitches for this round. For rounds 8 to 13 we are just going to do a single crochet into every single stitch, and that will keep our stitch count at 56 stitches. Round 14 is where we will start to decrease, so you want to do 5 single crochets and then you want to do an invisible decrease. And if we do this all the way around, this will bring our stitch count down to 48 stitches for this round. For rounds 15 and 16, we're just going to do a single crochet into every single stitch, and this will keep our stitch count at 48 stitches. For round 17, we're going to continue decreasing, so we're going to do 4 single crochets followed by a decrease, and this will bring our stitch count down to 40 stitches. For rounds 18 and 19, we are just going to do a single crochet into every stitch, and this will keep our stitch count at 32 stitches. For round 20, we are going to do 3 single crochets followed by a decrease. If you find that your head hole at this stage is too large, then do 2 more rounds of single crochet followed by another round of decreasing, so you'll do 2 single crochets and then a decrease. Now we have finished, we can just take the tail of our yarn and cut about a 30cm length, and then if you take your polyfill, just stuff the body. I do mine quite stiff because this body has got to support the head and we don't want the head flopping around, so I just push quite a lot into there. And then if we take our head, I use pins to secure it in place. You just want to place the head pretty much in the centre of the body, making sure that everything looks nice and straight with the head so it's not wonky when you start to sew. And then using your yarn needle, I'm starting at the back but it doesn't really matter where you start, you just put your needle into one stitch in the head, and then pull it all the way through, and then we're going to reinsert it into the body and then through another stitch in the head and pull that all the way through. And we're going to keep repeating this pattern, so you insert your needle into one stitch in the body, one stitch in the head, and pull it all the way through. And you just want to do this all the way around the head until it's nice and secure. And then at the end you can tie a knot and weave in the ends. And then hopefully it should look something like this when we're finished, ready for part 3.